Verifying your account on Affirm is an important step to ensure secure transactions and access to services. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Affirm website or download the Affirm app. Click on Sign Up and enter your email address and password to create a new account. Step 2. Provide personal information. Before starting recovery, use the s.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Link your bank account. To verify your account, you will need to link a bank account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your bank account, which may involve logging into your online banking or providing your bank details. Step 4. Verify your identity. Affirm may require you to verify your identity by providing additional documentation. This could include uploading a government-issued ID or other identification documents as requested. Step 5. Confirm your email and phone number. Check your email for a verification link from Affirm and click on it to confirm your email address. Additionally, you may receive a text message with a verification code that you will need to enter in the app or website. Once you have completed these steps, your account should be verified, allowing you to use Affirm services. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Affirm's customer support for assistance.